I'm Salma Tabari, MBA and Summer School Program Director at Cardiff Business School. Why Cardiff Summer School? First of all, it's Cardiff. I think you would love to see Cardiff, especially during the summer that the sun is shining and you can see the beauty of Cardiff and Wales. Why Cardiff University? We are a research lead university in Wales. We are a public value university and we have a lot to offer with a very well-known professors and academics that they work to engage policymakers, government decision makings, and lots of other fascinating research is happening here. We would love to share our knowledge within a short course with you to go back to your industries and bring all the new ideas that the academics and our researchers working on it to your industries. Our summer school has been designed for CEOs, MBA holders, industry professionals, whoever that would like to refresh their knowledge and come back to the university and spend a week of the deep, challenging and memorable conversations and knowledge within the university. What can you expect from our 1 week short summer school? Is to gain more knowledge of working with the different professionals from different industries and different backgrounds, different cultures, and coming 1 week together to work on different projects, different case studies, and link theories to the practice. Our summer school has been designed in a different engaging classes and activities. As I mentioned, we have case studies, theories that we go through that. We link it to the professionals. We have an industry talk. We have group works. We have lots of hands-on practice to link to the theory and to the academic reality. If our summer schools sound interesting to you, that is the course for you. Please get in touch if you need more information, and we would love to welcome you this summer to Cardiff.